Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha here again. Last video, we talked about what you guys could do to keep your vehicle well maintained throughout the summer. And now I'm gonna give you some tips or maybe some items that you can keep in your car to stay safe in the event of a breakdown or anything like that throughout the hotter months here. The first couple items that come to mind here would be jumper cables and a basic toolkit. So jumper cables in case your vehicle's dead or your battery is dead and you need a quick jump start, you're never gonna regret having those jumper cables in your car. The other one's gonna be the basic toolkit. So sometimes you have a breakdown and all you need is just a quick fix to get back on the road. That could be a wrench, a couple screwdrivers, some duct tape, and you're ready to rock. Some of the next items on the list here are gonna be sunscreen, food, and water. So if you're in a breakdown and you're gonna be stuck for a while before you can get towed out of there, and your vehicle's gonna get really hot if it's sitting in the hot sun, obviously, you're gonna wanna take a step outside of your vehicle. And if you're outside for a prolonged period of time, you definitely could need some sunscreen. And along with that, you might get hungry, you're gonna need some snacks, and most importantly, especially, keep some water in your vehicle because you're going to need to stay hydrated. And some of the last couple ones here would be a phone charger. Whenever you're traveling, I wanna make sure that you guys have a phone that's relatively charged. So you have a breakdown, you can call family, friends, let them know what's going on, and also contact safety services or roadside assistance so they can take you where you need to go as well. Also, keeping a first aid kit in your vehicle. This could be great if you have a car wreck or even if there's an allergic reaction to anything in your vehicle as well. You have an EpiPen, that could absolutely be a life-saving thing to keep in your vehicle. So a first aid kit and an EpiPen in there is something I would recommend for sure. So if you guys are looking for a new summer ride or you're just looking for your basic oil change, tire rotation, you can contact us at the same number here, 262-444-5445. Just ask for sales or service. Otherwise, happy summer, take care. We'll see you guys soon.